Ready? Go.
My name's Aisha, and I have something to show you. So, if you wouldn't ask any questions, just look at my account and look at me. And yeah. Let's come over a movie, alright?
Let's go to the movie. Alright. Action.
What is a beautiful day? Let me put my stuff in my locker. Oh! I think so now. My building, oh my, is this old? You say no.
No.
Why not? Because it's the world's imagination. Yeah, right. I know what to do without doing things wrong. What? Just walk over here. Ah! Is that Frodo? No. It's my gummy worms. You got gummy worms for lunch? Yeah.
Your hand's in the way.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I know about anything, but do you know about life? No. Do you know, like, dinosaurs? Yeah. Oh! Okay. Do you know about dinosaurs' lives? Yes. I know you like that, but... Wait, yeah. What's that? Bird. Teacher, what? Do you know about dinosaurs? Yes. Do you know everything? Yes. Oh, no! What's that over there? Nothing. It's just my locker. Is that gummy worms? Yes. Oh, no! Do you know about gummy worms? Yes. Oh, no. You're not eating gummy worms anywhere. Is my beak around? No. Oh, but like a second. It was the cat. I'm gonna have to use this. Eat that ball. Is this a newborn kitten? Oh, I fall down. Is this a newborn kitten? Yep, a newborn kitten. Nobody made it, but that some cat made it. And the mouths of the death. Hey. He doesn't like weak spotters, so bye. Is this the mouths of the death? Yes. She also makes fire out of her hair. What? I never saw that before. I'm telling Wolf. Who's Wolf? Yo, you have a girlfriend? No. Is this the new student? Yes. Alright, I better not. Something needs big fire somewhere. Yeah. This right here, some. I need this. Right there. This is part number 2. This is called the Action 3 because it's not action, but it's just what it's called. Alright, let's get to the next movie. Hi, everybody. Hi. Where's everybody? Well, they went off to school. Yeah, school off. School off? I don't know what that means. I mean, you don't have any school. School? No, I'm at school every day. Let's see when we school, but the teacher will tell you what it was about, alright? Yes. No, you need to tell this one.